Tout le monde, bienvenue dans la vidéo ça. Majorité dans nous même nan content de m'a parler de bQool qui pour ka ce soit utiliser plateforme Paiwa and gampil nous même qui utiliser plateforme ça déjà, which is kind of cool. So aujourd'hui nous gain Samuel. So Samuel, please introduce yourself to the people real quick.
Hi, I'm Samuel. I've been in the industry for a while now, and I'm a repricing expert, and I'm the brand evangelist for bQool.
All right, perfect. So how long you've been doing this?
For bQool, we've been around for like over 12 years. We got into AI repricing really early on. And then so we're one of the first ones, so one of the pioneers of the AI repricer.
From your experience from the customer side, have you been getting like a lot of compliments about the software that you guys have created?
Yeah, for sure. Like, we have hundreds, thousands of happy customers. If you go on the Amazon App Store, we're also, rated #1 repricer by the Golden Sellers Award. And so, there's a lot of different sellers ranging from small sellers to large sellers. They all use your software and they have good results, right? So if the software is not working, then people will not continue to use it. So they continue to use it and give us good feedback. And we continue to make updates to fulfill and to improve. Basically, we help the sellers to adjust their prices. And then we help them win the buy box or also to get more profits as well.
Perfect. So for my newer followers, so can you explain a little bit about the repricer? What is an AI repricer exactly?
Sure. So a repricer is a software tool that automatically adjusts the prices of your products based on, different factors. Let's say your competitors, your pricing, based on your fulfillment method as well, whether you're FBA or FBM. There's over 20 different factors that goes into winning the buy box on Amazon. And then what our repricer do is we use AI and we learn from those different factors, which one's more important, which one is less important. And then we learn from the competitors as well. So an AI repricer will look at all our competitors. We'll see, what prices they have. Are they lowering their prices by 2 cents, or they're lowering their prices by 20 cents or 30 cents in order to get the buy box? And we learn their behavior. And after we learn their behavior, we don't just go buy 10 cents. We don't compete with them on that level. We use machine learning. We have that data, and then we'll just go right to the optimum price for you to get the buy box. Or if you want to match the buy box, and then we increase your prices from there. Yeah, so it basically helps you win the buy box or helps you match the buy box, and then you can increase to get more sales or to get more profits.
Definitely, because I've been using your software for almost like 2 or 3 years, I believe, probably. And I've seen some very good feedback from my side. Because first of all, I've been selling on Amazon for almost like 7 years. At first, we didn't have that software at that time. And I didn't even hear my audience talking about like a repricer they can use to reprice the products. So I think this is like a great opportunity, both for my communities as well as other people that will be hearing from our videos. So yeah, so you can move on with this then.
Yeah, absolutely. By using repricer, you can stay competitive. You'll be able to save your time as well. Also to maximize your profits too. You can maximize your profits and then improve your sales. These are all really important factors when you're growing your business and getting to that next level.
Majorité nan nou même nan nou kaya ke m'gon moun nan kapam nan ensemble avec ça c'est moun qui nan parti bQool yo. So m'tal fait li font ti parler de exactement parti 14 day free trial là. Si ou même ou utiliser qui garantie Jean Edo avec stop là dans 14 jours ça y a bon accès avec plan qui pi gros à expliquer comprendre qui Jean que le marché.
So to access the free trial, make sure to use Dubin's link to get the 14-day free trial, and then also with the special support, and we have the live chat, we have the one-on-one support that's available as well to get the full benefits. And you can start repricing right away to get better sales and to get better profits. Check it out.
Perfect. Thank you so much.